In this video, I am going to unbox a very useful electronic accessory in every household, which is a 3-pin travel adapter. So this is a 3-pin travel adapter by the brand GM, which is one of the very reliable brand when it comes to electronic items. So here I have bought 4 of these 3 pins, also known as travel adapters. So these adapter comes very useful in every household to connect lighting, to charge mobile, to charge your laptops and many other purpose, as well as during the festival season like Diwali, Christmas, for lighting, or to plug in the string lights, connect multiple string lights. You may fall short of power connectors or power outlets at a household. So during such situation, you can use this travel adapter. So this is a travel adapter from the brand GM Goldmedal. The price of the product is 171 rupees per unit. So on Amazon you will get it for very cheap, which is 100 rupees or less than that. So if you want to purchase this, I have put the links of this product in the description of this video. You can buy it from there. So now let's unbox it and see. So you can see the travel adapter has been additionally packed with plastic wrapping. Let's unwrap it. So this travel adapter or 3-pin is made up of very high quality plastic material. So if you go to any local electronic store and ask for 3 pins, they will give you low quality 3 pins, but at the same price you can get these high quality 3 pins from the reliable brand Goldmedal. So you can feel the quality of this product when you take it in your hands. So you can see it's very high quality, and the orientation of the upper power slots are like slopy so that you can easily plug it. So here we get 3 pin, and at the top and the bottom we get 2 pin slots. So at the back side it is transparent red. You can see the electric wirings from this transparent red color covering of the back. So now let's plug this into the slot and see how it works. So when you plug this into the power outlet and turn it on, you will see a power indicator on the travel plug turns on when it is turned on. So the plugs or the charger goes very smoothly as it's from the reliable brand Goldmedal. So if you are looking around to buy a branded or reliable travel adapter or 3-pin which is made up of high quality material, then you should definitely buy this Goldmedal travel plug adapter or 3-pin. If you want to purchase, I have mentioned the links in the description of this video. You can buy directly from there.